TradingView has a whole layer of macro data, but most traders never touch it. It's super easy to find. All you have to do is head over to the right side of the TradingView window, go to the bottom, you'll see a circle with squares in it. Click here. Go to where it says macro maps near the bottom. Now you'll see a whole tab of different macro statistics and countries. Now there's a lot here, so let me break it down for you guys. First, if you look at the top, you can see different statistics and specific indicators, such as inflation rate, interest rate, GDP. Now, if you want to cycle through these, all you have to do is click the search bar. You'll see that there's so many here. TradingView has hundreds. All you have to do is click on the title and you'll see all of them. Let's stick with GDP right now. You can see that for every country, if you hover over them, their GDP is listed. Now what's awesome is that you can see this for today, but you can also see it for many years in the past. Let's go back using the timeline feature on the bottom of the tool to 2007. Notice how everything changed. This is great for comparing previous trends to current ones. Now, you can see on the right side of TradingView, there's a list of different countries. Say you don't only want to look at North America, as that is what is selected right now. Click on the name with the drop down arrow next to it. You can now select different regions of the world. Let's go with just looking at the whole world. Now on the right side, you have a whole list of different countries to pick from. Let's say we want to take a deeper dive into the US GDP. All we have to do is click on USA. Now you can see a whole chart with the US GDP over a very, very large timeline. And you can even configure it. And if you want to configure it further, simply click the full chart icon right here. It also gives you key data points and more information about the GDP, related indicators, and even news concerning it. This macro tool is very, very useful. Have a great day, guys.